Genesis GV80, the first real true luxury SUV in its segment. It's going to be known as the German killer, as it's comparable to the Mercedes GLE and the upper trim levels of the BMW and Audis. But let me dive in right here. This has been the most anticipated SUV of the year. They announced this car at the Super Bowl back in February with John Legend. So let's take a quick walk around. This one right here is finished in Himalayan Gray, and it is the Prestige package. You've got two different engine choices here. You've got 2.5 turbo and you've got a 3.5 twin turbo. 300 horsepower or 375 horsepower. Basically, plenty of power to get you down the road. As you'll see on this car here, this is the Prestige. This is a 3.5 twin turbo. Has the larger wheels on it. Every piece of this car, the fit and finish, if you look along the edges right here, you'll notice that it has a dual seal, the rubber, thick rubber that you'll see in like your Bentleys, your Rolls Royce. I call that the ultra luxury segment. All the cars that are in this segment right now are, again, $20,000, $30,000 more than this, and aren't considered ultra luxury. This is in the class of the Bentley Bentayga, in my opinion. This is in the class of the Rolls-Royce Collision. So you definitely have a better vehicle, more value, and lots more standard features. Let's go ahead and have you take a look inside. When you open the door, you'll notice the lines, the stitching. They pay attention to detail. Every piece of detail that you see, the billet around the dials, the natural grain wood. As you get in, you'll see it has the Diamond Quilted Nappa Leather seating. Now, I know that you can't feel the leather through the screen, but let me tell you, it is very soft. I would use the word supple because it is very soft. It is a luxury SUV at its finest. Also, if you notice the way the cockpit's laid out, and I call it a cockpit because it's reminiscent of an airplane. You'll see your controls are very easy to use. Most everything that you can do in this car is done by your voice. You've got a digital cluster, you've got a 12-inch screen, you've got lots of technological features that are easy to use. Now, if we stroll around back here to the back seat, first thing that I always notice here is that, what are these right here on the side of the back seat? You've got rear power seats. You can recline back and forth. And as you get in, you'll also notice that you've got two USB ports in the back. And if you go with the Prestige like this model here, you've got rear heated and rear ventilated seats. Rear ventilated seats aren't even available in any of the models that are in this class. Just keep that in mind. You've also got rear sunshades right here that go up. Now, obviously this has a tinted windows, so you've got extra protection there. Scroll around to the back here. Plenty of room in the back. Now, to fold the seats down, there's two buttons right over here. Use these, and it's all one touch. And again, you'll notice the finish. The finish is all the way around the car, right here. They don't stop. You know, most manufacturers, they don't paint the inside right here. They leave this just a natural finish. This right here, they use the same clear coat, same multi-stage paint technology. One touch to close it. Now, a couple of the things that you're going to notice here is, going to zoom in on this, you'll notice it has the Prestige package. You get the 22-inch wheels. You've got the 12.3-inch screen. You've got road active noise canceling. So what that means to you is that you're going to be able to listen to movies, watch movies, listen to music in peace without having all that road noise like you're hearing right now in the video. You've got the power second row reclining seat, power attention assist. But let's shift over here. These are all your standard features. You've got all of these standard features on the car, like Apple CarPlay, digital key. You've got the hands-free lift gate, power telescoping steering wheel. All of these things that come standard, like blind spot assist, things that you would have to buy in the premium and upper premium packages of the competitors. And look here, this price is $20,000 to $30,000 less than the competition. So again, this is in the same league as the Bentley Bentayga and the Rolls-Royce Collision. So if you have any interest in a luxury, a real luxury SUV, and don't want to spend $150,000, $250,000, $300,000, this is the one to go with. Now, with it being the Prestige, you've got a surround view camera as well. So you've got cameras mounted underneath the mirrors and in the front and the back that gives you an aerial view of the car. So you can see all around you when you're backing up, going forward. There is not another vehicle on the market that looks anything like this. And it will be a limited production for the first year. And these are selling as soon as they're coming in. So if you have an interest, make sure you give our sales staff a call here at Genesis of Newport Richey. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below.